Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a model of a rocket that consists of a cone and a cylinder. Let's zoom in, shall we? Okay, we are also given the height of the cone and the radius or diameter in this case. And therefore, since 4 is the diameter, that means the radius is 2. This means the radius of both the cone and the cylinder is 2. Height of the cylinder is 6. Find the volume of this model. Using the volume of the cone, 1/3 times base area times height. So I'm going to just write it on top here. The volume of the cone. I'm going to use probably the blue color. The volume here will be equals to 1/3 base area pi r square. R is 2. Height of the cone is 3. As for this cylinder, I hope you all remember the volume of a cylinder is simply the pi r square, the base area, times the height, in this case 6. And what do I do with these two? Yep, I just need to add them up together. Okay, so this one I'm going to just write it in terms of pi. This will be my 4 pi. And this will be 24 pi. And therefore the total volume of the model is simply 4 pi plus 24 pi, which is 28 pi, and 28 pi will translate to 87.9645 943 88.0 cm cube. When I round off to 3 SF. Curved surface area though would require us to find the slanted height of this particular cone. So that will be actually the step 1. If I don't know the slanted height, I will not be able to get the answer. Yeah, so that will be something for us to take note. I'm going to just cut out this part and just place it here so that at the side you can then see that, at least for the cone. Okay, I will have my height here, 3, radius 2, and this is actually the slanted height that we need to find for this right angle triangle before we can proceed. All right, so for L, and this particular working is required at some point. So this L square is equals to 3 square plus 5 plus 2 square, which is equals to 13. So therefore my L is square root 13. Okay, L is square root 13, which is some numbers. So this one is for us to see very visually. So now I know that the slanted height is square root 13. I can tap on it already. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Okay, where the 2 pi, the r is 2, the height of the cylinder is 6. Okay, height of cylinder, yes, 6. Curved surface area is pi r l, where the radius is 2 and the slanted height is square root 13. Not forgetting the base area is a circle, pi r square. And you just have to key in all these neatly into the calculator and you should get the following. 110.6189, 411, final answer in 3 significant figures. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.